Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the topic oxidation and reduction and very important objective question for your upcoming examinations. The first question is oxidation is defined as a loss of electron. The right answer is loss of electron. Oxidation is defined as loss of electron. The next question, a reducing agent is a substance which can. The right answer is B. Donate electrons. Question number third. A redox reaction is. The right answer is electron transfer reaction. Question number fourth. The oxidation number of Fe in K4FeCN6 is. The right answer is fourth D. That is your plus 2. The next question number 5. In NiCO4, the oxidation state of nickel is. The right answer is B, that is 0. Question number 6. Select the compound in which chlorine shows oxidation state plus 7. That is HClO4. Question number 7. The brown ring complex compound is formulated as FeS2O5 NOSO4. The oxidation state of iron is B, that is 2. Question number 8. Of the following elements, which one has the same oxidation state in all of its compound? The right answer is B, fluorine. Question number 9. The oxidation state of phosphorus varies from C -3 to +5. The oxidation number of fluorine in F2O is C -1. Question number 11. During electrolysis, the reactions at anode is oxidation. Question number 12. The common oxidation state of alkalis metals in combined state, that is +1. Question number 13. The oxidation number of covalency of sulfur in S8 is 0, 2. Next question number 40. The reaction of Zn plus H2SO4, ZnSO4 plus S2. The right answer is A, oxidation. Question number 15. The oxidation state of oxygen in hydrogen peroxide is 15 का ये, that is -1. Question number 16. The highest state of Mn is shown in B, KMnO4. Question number 17. The oxidation number of chlorine in HOCl is C, +1. The next question number 18. The oxidation state of chromium in K2Cr2O7 is B, +6. Question number 19. Oxidation number of S in Na2SO4 is B, that is 2.5. Question number 20. The oxidation number of nitrogen is NO3 minus is 20 का D, that is +5. Question number 21. When iron is rusted, it is oxidized. Question number 22. Starch iodide paper is used to test for the presence of oxidizing agent. Question number 23. Oxidation number of nitrogen in NH4NO3 is. The right answer is C, that is -3 and +5. Question number 24. The value of N in the following equation is A, that is 6. Question number 25. The oxidation number of iron in Fe3O4 is C, that is 8/3. Question 26. The oxidation state of chromium in CrNH3 plus is A, +3. Question number 27. The oxidation state of carbon in C6H12O6 is. The right answer is C, that is 0. Next question number 28. मैच द कॉलम करना है. मैच द कॉलम. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर दिया है एंड देयर आर एलिमेंट. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर एंड द एलिमेंट. The oxidation state of nitrogen in Na3H is, the right answer is D, -1/2. The oxidation state of oxygen in OF2 is, the right answer is A, +2. The oxidation state of carbon and oxalic acid S2C2O4 is C, that is +3. Oxidation state of Mn in acidic KMnO4 change from is, the right answer is B, +7 +2. +7 2 +2. Question 33. The oxidation of two chlorine atoms in bleaching powder CaOCl is, the right answer is B, +1 -1. Question 34. The conversion of sugar C12H22O11, that is CO2 is, the right answer is A, oxidation. Question 35. The redox reaction Na2S2O3 changes to Na2S4O6. What is the equivalent weight of Na2S2O3? The right answer is 35 का A, that is same as its molecular weight. Question number 36. What is the oxidation number of sulfur in SOO4 2- ion is? The right answer is C, +6. Question number 37. Consider the following statement. First, phosphorus exhibits oxidation state of 3 and 5. Second, iron exhibit oxidation state of +2 and +3. What is the right answer is C, both 1 and 2. Question 38. The conversion of Fe2++ and Fe++ is a. The right answer is A, oxidation. Question 39. In reaction between HCl and O2 is given by 4HCl plus O2.